Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. If you're navigating the crypto world in 2025, you might need to transfer your XRP from Exmo to Gemini for better security or trading options. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. By the end, you'll have your XRP moved safely and efficiently. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Exmo and Gemini. In 2025, exchanges like these have enhanced security features, so double-check your two-factor authentication is set up. This is crucial to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account and head straight to your XRP wallet. Take a moment to check your balance and note any withdrawal fees. Crypto fees can fluctuate, but with 2025's network improvements, they might be lower than before. Step 2. Switch over to Gemini. Go to the Deposit section and select XRP. Gemini could have a sleeker interface by now, so look for the option to generate a new deposit address. This is a unique string of characters, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back on Exmo, navigate to the Withdraw page. Choose XRP as the currency, paste the deposit address from Gemini, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Always verify the address twice. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Review the details, including estimated transaction times and fees. In 2025, XRP transfers on the XRP ledger are super fast, often under a minute, but network congestion could add a bit of delay. Step 5. Hit Confirm on Exmo. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the funds should appear in your Gemini account shortly. Once it's done, log back into Gemini to verify your XRP balance. There you have it. That's how you send XRP from Exmo to Gemini in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and keep an eye on regulatory changes. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.